Hey guys, what's going on? Just wanted to tell you a little bit about a mousse that I've been using. It's Suave Max Hold Volumizing Mousse for body and lifts. So I really like mousses and I try a lot of beauty products and stuff, and this is just one of those that you could use like every day for a little volume. It's Suave, so the brand's been around for a very long time. It's well established. Basically, like I have different mousses that I use for like depending how I want to do my hair. Like if I want it more scrunched than anything else, I'll use a mousse that's more for like a tasseled look or a scrunched look. This one is more if I want my hair to be like a little bit bigger and have a little bit more volume than it normally would. So this is how many ounces? Let's see. 9 ounces, so it's definitely a good size. Big, but you could also like fit it in your purse, and if you need to travel with it, it's good for that too. The Max Hold formula gives hair, body, volume, and lifts. It provides ultra control and holds without weighing hair down, and it's never too stiff or sticky, which I like because a lot of times I'll use a mousse and it'll get sticky and all over my hands and it'll just be gross, or sometimes like it'll have like a white flakiness, and I really can't stand that. So this doesn't do any of that. In fact, it held my hair. I had to get on a ferry tonight and it was high winds and it held my hair really good. I kind of curled it and I added a little bit of mousse for extra volume to make my hair look a little bit bigger. Sometimes I'll just run some through my hair when it's like towel dried or blow dried. Let it dry if it's not dry completely, and then when I curl it, I feel like it holds the curls better that way, of course, too. But even just in my like towel dried hair, I'll run some product through it and it holds the style really nicely and gives some volume. So provides volume and control for less than more expensive brands. Definitely true. It's definitely an inexpensive product, but it works really well. And I feel like it also makes my hair shiny. I have to take a lot of photos and stuff for work, so I had this in my hair and I had my hair curled and I feel like it just came out really nice and shiny in all the pictures. So super easy to use, shake can well. Turn can completely upside down and dispense into hand. Apply evenly from roots to ends. To achieve your favorite style, choose from a full range of Suave shampoos, conditioners, and styling products. The Suave promise: we guarantee your full satisfaction. For details, you can visit the website www.suave.com. And it is a Unilever brand, made in the USA, which is nice. Unilever is the distributor, which is in Trumbull, Connecticut. But here, there's still like a good amount. This will last a while too, and I use it quite often, and I still have plenty left, which is nice. So of course they just have the warning label on there: flammable until fully dry. Do not use near a heat flame or while smoking. Can cause serious injury or death. And avoid inhalation. Avoid spraying in eyes. And then we have the ingredients listed. So water, isobutene, dimethyl ether, polyquaternium, propane, panthenol, tocopherol. Sorry, I don't have the best pronunciation of some of these words. So it's not like it's an all-natural product, but still gives you really good hold. Been on the market forever. Washes out easily. It doesn't get flaky. It doesn't get sticky. It doesn't make your hair feel hard and yucky. Comes with this cap on it, so if you are traveling with it, or you know, if you have it in your purse or in your bag, that'll keep it from exploding and everything. So you could just, it's really easy to use too. So shake it up, dispense into your hands. You guys can see, all white. It actually has a lovely fragrant smell. It smells like wildflowers. Pretty and not too much. It smells just fresh and clean. Make your hair smell really pretty. So you can kind of see like the way it's foamy, but kind of melts into just like a clear liquid. So I guess that can kind of show you like once it's in your hair, it's not going to get white or add any residue or anything like that. It just feels nice. Doesn't feel too sticky. and has a great, great pleasant smell. It doesn't smell like any harsh chemicals or anything like that. So Suave Max Holds Volumizing Mousse for body and lifts. This is really easy to find in drugstores, stores, online. I love it, and I will definitely continue to use it. Use it if you need to add a little shine, a little volume, a little height to your hair. You won't be disappointed. I hope you guys found this video useful. See you later.